The discomfort caused by acid reflux, heartburn, and sciatica makes sleeping very difficult. For you, FOVERA has designed Acid Reflux Bed Wedge Pillow. The ergonomic design of the pillow elevates the torso by 25 degrees so that the stomach acid stays down. The wedge pillow aligns the head, neck, spine, and stomach, which promotes comfortable sleep, easy breathing, and reduces snoring. This pillow is made from high-quality super soft foam and has a memory foam top. The outer cover is breathable and machine washable. This pillow comes in 4 different sizes: 7-inch small, 7-inch medium, 11-inch large, and 12-inch extra large. Say no to sleepless nights with FOVERA's Acid Reflux Bed Wedge Pillow. FOVERA, for healthy posture.